Well, hello, little guy. How are you doing? You're a tiny little thing. Here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, the little guy. You'll be okay. You'll be all right, little guy. He's a pretty little bird. Well, you're all right. You're okay, little guy. Oh, look how tiny you are. You all right? You gonna be okay? Huh? Yeah, you're gonna be fine. You just gotta watch out. Okay? Hmm? Okay, come on over here. Here, let's put you up. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Oh, look how cute you are. You'll be all right, buddy. Okay. Goodbye.